Hi, we have two wooden blocks. Both of them are 0.3 kilogram that are connected with a string passing through over the pulley. Now, we are told that after 1.18 seconds, the mass B is reaching to the floor. Now, it is important to understand that the acceleration of the block A horizontally is the same as the acceleration of the block B in vertical direction because they are connected and they are moving together with the same velocity and acceleration. And also they are released from rest. Using that, we can calculate the acceleration of the system um, using the kinematic equation that says delta y in the vertical direction for the B, delta y is equal to